How to transfer Apple gift card to another account 2024. So if you want to quickly learn on how you can transfer money from your Apple gift card to any other bank account, here's how you're going to do it. So basically Apple gift card, as we all know, is an only redeemable option for your Apple Cash. So whatever you have in your Apple Wallet, that is what your gift card can insinuate. So when you redeem your Apple gift card, it can't directly be transferred to a bank account, but what you can do is you're going to redeem your gift card into your Apple wallet. You're going to redeem it into your Apple account. So let's say I redeem a $500 gift card and it redeems itself into my Apple wallet. Now, what you're going to do from there is from your Apple wallet, you can send it out to another bank account. That is, I'd say, the best way to transfer from your Apple gift card to another account. There is no direct link from a gift card to another bank account. They haven't created it yet, but the way that I have taught you is the most, basic and a very simple way to do it. So, yeah, basically that's the main idea of transferring Apple gift card to another account in 2024. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.